Have you ever heard your stomach suddenly make a loud noise when you are quiet? Many people think that sound is caused by hunger, or even by worms in the stomach. In fact, the sound actually comes from the natural movements of our digestive system. The muscles in the stomach and intestines continuously move to push air, fluid, and food residue. When air and liquid move in a confined space, the sound we hear is produced. So when your stomach growls, it's just a sign that your digestive system is working.